Hey everybody, so our next mystery box is shoes and heels. It is a shoe and heel value box from America's Thrift Supply. 10 pairs. This box. Let's do it. What was your name again, ma'am?
Honey.
Honey. Okay, so we paid for this 10 pair box $44.99. That is $4.49.9999.
That's a lot of money.
Each. Yeah. I love how there's dogs I have dogs in 3 of the 5 drawers of my desk.
All right. Ooh.
Let's see what we got.
Ooh. All right. Jessica Simpson.
Jessica Simpson.
Yes.
Those don't look like they have been worn very much. Hey. Okay, Jessica Simpson. I can't hold these.
Michael Kors.
Michael Kors shoes.
Yeah.
Fancy. So, guys, these were again. Those are nice. Okay.
Michael Kors boots.
Michael Kors boots. Ooh. Okay, y'all. Michael Kors boots in the house.
Michael Kors.
No.
Snakeskin.
What? Oh my gosh. Michael Kors. Okay, these are brand new because you see the plastic is still on the bottom. Oh my goodness, those are sexy. Look at those.
I know.
The dogs are excited about those.
These are bogs.
Bogs, I've never heard of.
I don't know, but
Bogs.
they're cute.
Waterproof insulated. Oh, I like the soles of those. Those are cool. Those look brand new. Those look brand new. Like brand new.
These are cocoa nuts.
What?
It says cocoa nuts on the bottom.
Cocoa nuts?
Cocoa nuts.
Ooh. Cocoa nuts. Dude, these are brand new too. They still have the tag. If somebody wore, I don't know if somebody wore them because there's some scuffs, but the plastic tags are still there.
These are 24-hour comfort.
These are 24-hour comfort. These have got to be like nurse shoes, right?
Yeah.
24-hour comfort shoes. If you are a nurse, you are always on your feet. These are wide width. These are brand new. Genuine leather. You are always on your feet and you deserve to have nice shoes. Those seriously have not been worn.
They still have the tag on them. These are Anna, a new approach.
Anna, a new approach. Oh, those are kind of funky. You see that on the back? Anna, a new approach. A new approach.
Cute.
Guys, seriously, these are $4.50 each.
These are brand new. These are St. John's Bay.
These are brand new. Still, again, the sticker on the bottom.
And the tag. Still has the tag.
Does it?
Yeah.
I don't see
Oh,
it.
it has the tag loop.
I see the buckles are still covered in everything. Okay. Oh, they have new shoe smell.
These are St. John's Bay as well. And that's the last pair.
Those are brand new,
Yeah.
too. Memory foam. They have the tag. Cute. Well, I just hit myself in the face again with the shoe. Those are cute. Cool. So there is a whole 10-pack. Paid $44.99 for them. That includes tax, shipping, and everything. So we're going to check comps.
Yeah, let's
We're going to check comps, and we're going to be right back and tell you how much all this is worth. So Betsy, honey,
Yes.
how do you think we did?
I don't know. How did we do, Poochie?
Well, we paid $44.99 for this 10 pairs of shoes mystery lot. And if we sell them all at the prices I have, well, let me first tell you what prices I do have. The boots, the St. John's Bay boots, $40 each. We did comps on eBay and online, but on eBay to see what they were selling for. And like one of those St. John Bay, somebody has them on Poshmark for $80, but we just went with $40 as the value. We try to stay low on the value we estimate, so we get a better estimate of what we're going to make.
Yes, we do.
We do. She's not good with numbers. She lets me do it. So the St. John's Bay, $40 each, 24-hour comfort. I found one that was black that sold on eBay for $50, but I figure we'll get 40 for ours. Hopefully, just a safe, conservative number. Anna Durrell, maybe $20 on those. Maybe a little bit more. They're in pretty good condition. The Boggs boots, conservative estimate is $40. Some of them go up to like $75, $80, $100. The Kors, Michael Kors, snakeskin, stiletto heels. I couldn't find the exact one, but I'm guessing $35 minimum. The Michael Kors boots, we have, those were the big ones, right? Were those the big?
They were the big ones.
They were the big ones. Thanks. $50 on those. The Michael Kors sneakers, $50 on those. I figure they look kind of like Vans. Interesting. I couldn't find a pair that looked exactly like them, but I found a pair that was close. So I said $50. Jessica Simpson, $40 for the faux snakeskin. And the cowboy boots, the Coco, nothing special, $20. So if we sell all of our items at those prices, we will make $375.
Wow.
We paid $44.99.
Nice.
Paid $4.50 per shoe, and 10 shoes. That's $37.50 per shoe.
Is that 10 shoes or 20 shoes?
10 shoes.
10 pairs of shoes.
10 pairs of shoes. Come on, man. Come on, man. So $375 will be what we sell them for. And I like to be conservative, so you take out 25% for eBay fees, and also for if you want to give a little bit on a best offer, if you want to give somebody a little better deal. But these are priced pretty conservatively, so I figure 25% off. The $375 is going to be $93.75, and then we paid the $44.99. So if we sell all these, even after we take off 25%, we might even make more on some of these. Our take home is $236.26 net profit. That is $23.62.6 each shoe profit.
That's a lot of math.
That is a lot of math. That's for you.
That's a lot
I
of
am the
math.
math whiz. Remember,
Buy low.
and sell high, my friends. Oh, and
And
subscribe.